Let's take a look now at how to use the Virtual PDP classroom. So the first thing you'll want to do is join the Screencastify Virtual PDP classroom. You'll have two ways of doing that. You can either join via the direct link, which will take you to the classroom and invite you to join, or you can hit the plus and join with a class code. You could type in here. The code is MOPGML4, as you see on the screen. Once you've joined, you can drop into the Screencastify classroom. You'll be in the stream, and you can read any announcements and look at any upcoming live sessions for questions and answers. If you click on the Classwork tab, you'll find all the task cards, which are Google Slides, and all videos demonstrating how to accomplish them. So for example, if I wanted to start out at step 1, setting everything up, they go in order from top to bottom. So I can start with the very first one. Here I can see the videos. You're welcome to watch them beforehand if you like. They're all brief. And then you can click on your task card. Check and see your task cards. If you've completed these already, just go ahead and drag your check mark over each step so you know you've completed it. And complete them at your leisure. If you need help with any particular step, the same videos are linked right next to the step associated with it. When you've completed the task card, you can go ahead and mark as done, if you like, and then move on to the next one. All right, good luck with the PDP. When you're completed the PDP, you'll have tried every facet of the program. If you still have other questions or would like to meet up, feel free to email me or join one of the live question and answer sessions. You can check the stream or your building's notifications for when the next live session will be available. Thanks. Hope you enjoy the virtual PDP session.